Well, Piper. Hi. Okay, come on. Come here. Come here, Piper. Oh, wow. What a big girl. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, stand up by yourself. There you go. You took a half a step.
You can do it. Okay.
Okay, Piper. Oh,
You know you
so
can do
close.
Come on.
So close. Whoa! What a big girl! Whoa! Look at you, Piper. Come here. Oh man! You didn't even give it a try. You didn't even give it a try. Wow! All of a sudden today she just stood by herself for a long time. The first time she's ever done that. I think we're running out of space.